To do is to create a sketch. Now I'm not going to show you step by step how to make this. That's up to you, but I'm just going to show you some of the tools that are available. So you always need to make sure that you're on the correct axis. So I'm just going to go to the top view at the moment, and I'm going to start with a sketch. Okay, you always start your components with a sketch, and then we extrude them. So let's start off with a sketch. Choose where we're going to start. So you can see this is snapping to whichever axes we want to use. So I'm going to select this axis here. Okay, so now I have a base of where I can start my sketch. I'm going to start off with a line. Okay, so I'm going to make my test bench stick out a little bit from my line there. And you can see here I have a measurement and I have the degrees of angle. So we can type with our keyboard, for example, if I want a 70 mils. And I do advise that you do measure these out. And then we can ensure, for example, if I want to make a square, that it's 70 by 70. I'm just pressing enter and then selecting the line again and then 70. Okay, so now I have this surface. Once I'm finished with that, I simply press finish sketch, and that has now created a square on that surface which I can place. So it's just a sketch at the moment, and I'll show you in the next video how to extrude.